How to enable or disable motion photo autoplay in Samsung Gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Gallery app. After click on Gallery app, click on this menu icon and click on Settings. Now in Gallery Settings, you will see Autoplay Motion Photos is here. If you want to disable autoplay motion photos, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see autoplay motion photos is disabled. If you want to enable autoplay motion photos, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see autoplay motion photos is enabled. You will enable or disable autoplay motion photos from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable motion photo autoplay in Samsung Gallery on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.